Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuriatul Khairiyah. I will to present of impact coronavirus on Indonesia economy. The spread of COVID-19, or what is known as the coronavirus, which began in the city of Wuhan, China, has become a serious concern of economists, business people, and policymakers in various countries. As a global economic giant, China is the world's largest producer and consumer with GDP, reaching USD 13 trillion. The turmoil that occurred in China had an impact on other countries that had economic activity with China, one of which was Indonesia. To discuss further, the Indonesian Institute of Science, LIPI, through the Center for Economic Research, will hold a media briefing with the theme COVID-19 outbreak. How much impact on Indonesia's economy on Wednesday, February 26 in Jakarta. Jakarta, 26 February 2020, the LIPI Economic Research Center at the end of 2019 predicted Indonesia's national economic growth of 5.04% for 2020. As a result of the coronavirus outbreak, the Chinese economy experienced a contraction. This condition was followed by the Indonesian government's policy on efforts to limit export-import to China, making this figure difficult to achieve, said the head of the LIPI Economic Research Center, Agus Eko Nugroho. Agus explained that the calculation results show that Indonesia's economic growth will be corrected by 0.19% to 29%. Growth will be at 4% for moderate case, only reach 4% if the panic continues to spread, he said. He explained that this figure only had an impact on the first round effect. The tourist sector has been affected for the first time with a potential loss of national foreign exchange earnings of up to $2 billion. This figure is based on the simulation result based on the calculation of 2019 records. There are 2 million tourists from China visiting Indonesia with an average length of stay of 6 days and spending $157 per person per day. Explained research from the Center for Economic Research at LIPI, Pengki Tri Febiansyah. He explained that this calculation assumption can be used as a prediction for 2020 that tourists from China will postpone or cancel their trips to Indonesia. The Indonesia trade sector is also predicted to experience a number of contractions. More than 495 types of commodities destined for China's export will be affected. Meanwhile, around types of import goods from China are detected to shrink or even disappear from the Indonesia market. Most of the products that are strategic consumer goods will have serious implications for domestic inflation. The government needs to monitor market conditions, give the potential price movements ahead of the month of Ramadan and Idul Fitri, said Pangki. Also advised the government, especially the Financial Service Authority, to provide consequences on credit maturities for MSMEs that could potentially be affected by the weakening of the Chinese economy. A number of strategic steps must be prepared to reduce the potential negative impact of